Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today's assignment. So follow me to the assignment for today. It is similar to your assignment for last class. So you're going to basically follow the same steps, but I'm going to go step by step with you. And this video is going to be right here. And then you're going to have activities on Spanish.com in la escuela. And you're going to go to Spanish.com. We already did that, but we're going to do it again. There's a Spanish.com. Then you're going to go to the book for Realidades 1. And this time, last time you worked these activities, now you're going to work activities 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I put it here. How to find the column, how to find the activities, where to click first, and then 6, 7, 8. So do not forget to take your screenshot every time you finish an activity. And to submit, you're going to click on the submission button, upload your screenshot. If you don't know how to do it, I put the video here. And if you don't submit your screenshots, then I cannot see your assignments because I don't have access. Let's go and look at the activities that you're doing today. So you have an idea what you had to do. And this one says write each number numerically. So that means that you had number 12 there, you just need to write 12. It turns green. You have number 3 there, you write 3, and they turn green every time that you answer correctly. The next one, página 6, says spell out each number. So this is backwards. You had the number, you had to spell the number there, and it turns 18. It turns green when you have it right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Página 7. Now, this word is in this case means plus. So these are math problems. So 1 más 5 son. 1 más 5 is 6. Son 6. So you type the word and then you complete this. Okay. And then the last one is subtraction. So it's problems too, but it's subtraction. So 5, 6, 7 aquí. 18 menos, that's minus, 10 is 8. So you just solve the math problems. Some are the ones in page 7 are addition and these are subtraction. Okay, so if you have questions, as usual, please contact me and I'll be happy to help you. Remember that I am always connected during class. I sent you a link at the beginning of the class. I'm always connected. So please, if you have questions, connect and I'll be glad to answer your questions. And also, if you're turning in late work, don't forget to email me and let me know. Okay, I think that's all for now. And I'll see you in the next video. Adios.